Hello all my dear students, welcome to my channel. Let's learn and grow. Dear students, today we are going to learn appreciation of the poem Life by Charlotte Bronte in paragraph format. Dear student, this poem belongs to 9th standard English medium textbook. As you all know, I started this series for completing 9th standard English textbooks, all topics bilingual. Dear student, in previous video, we tried to understand poem Life with full Hindi as well as English explanation. Students, अगर आपने poem के explanation वाली video नहीं देखी है, तो please watch it first, because in that video you will get full explanation of poem Life. Dear student, with the help of that video, you will be able to understand the central idea of the poem. So, please watch that video first. You will get the link in description box. Please check it. So, dear student, we will start now. Dear students, in this video we will try to understand how to write an appreciation of the poem Life in paragraph format. See the question. Write an appreciation of the poem Life with the help of following points. So see which points are given here. Title. Firstly, we have to mention title. After that, poet or poetess. In this point, we have to mention by whom the poem is written. The third point is rhyme scheme, means which rhyme scheme poem is following, that we have to mention here. After that, favorite line, means which line you like most. Then theme or central idea. After that, sixth point is figures of speech. Seventh one is special feature. In special feature, we have to mention type of the poem, language, tone, implied meaning, etc. And at last, why I like or dislike the poem. Dear student, this point you will get in question. With the help of this question points, you have to write an appreciation. Dear students, on screen I have taken points in appreciation just because of your clear and understanding. While writing an appreciation, you need not write it in point format. Means हमें appreciation पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट में लिखना है. सारे पॉइंट्स एक्सप्लेन करने के बाद फाइनल पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट में भी हमने अप्रिशिएशन दिया है. सो वॉच अप टू द एंड. सो आवर फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज टाइटल. द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज लाइफ. Dear student, you should always write the title of the poem using single inverted comma and the first letter as capital letter. Means हमेशा जो पोएम का टाइटल होता है वो हमें सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखना है और टाइटल का फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होना चाहिए. एंड डियर स्टूडेंट, यू शुड स्पेल इट करेक्टली. नाउ द सेकंड पॉइंट, दैट इज पोएट और पोएटेस. द पोएम लाइफ इज रिटन बाय चार्लोट ब्रॉन्टे. दिस पोएम was published with her pen name Curel Bell. In this second point, student, you have to mention the name of poet or poetess, means by whom this poem is written. Dear student, इस point में बस poet का name भी sufficient है, but if you have any extra knowledge about the poet or poetess, you should mention it in short. जैसे कि हमने यहाँ चार्लोट ब्रॉन्टे का पेन नेम क्यूरल बेल मेंशन किया है. इससे ऐसे होता है, जो आपके एग्जामिनर होते हैं उन्हें आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर यूनिक लगता है. मीन्स दैट इज पॉजिटिव इंप्रेशन ऑन देम. नाउ टर्न टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज राइम स्कीम. द पोएम हैज राइम स्कीम ABCB DE DE FG FG HI HI JK JK LM LM. Dear students, sometimes some poem follow only one rhyme scheme for all stanzas, but कभी कभी पोएम का हर स्टांजा अलग अलग राइम स्कीम फॉलो करता है. एंड students, sometimes some poem doesn't follow any rhyme scheme, means that is written in free verse. तो हमारे इस पोएम का फर्स्ट स्टांजा ABCB rhyme scheme follow करता है and after that all stanzas follow single rhyme scheme. Dear students, I'll make one separate video on how to identify the rhyme scheme because you should understand it. After understanding it, आपको हर rhyme scheme के लिए रट्टा नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा. Now turn to the next point, that is fourth one, favorite line. My favorite line is, sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. I like these lines because it has clear meaning that bad time passes. It doesn't last forever. Students, here I have taken my favorite lines. You should take as your choice. But in short, you have to give reason why you like these lines. Now the next point. Central idea or theme. The poem Life is motivating and optimistic poem which encourage us to be positive in our life. Poetess say that sometimes there are some bad moments happen in our life, but they are temporary and can fade away quickly. She encourages us to enjoy happy moments of our life. At last, she says, we should not lose hope because hope and courage can overcome any problem in our life. In this way students, हमें इस पॉइंट में पोएम में ऑल ओवर क्या बताया गया है उसे शॉर्ट में प्रेजेंट करना है. Now the next point, that is figures of speech. The poetess has used many figures of speech such as alliteration, simile, metaphor, personification and interrogation, but she has perfectly used personification. For example, first one is, what though death at times step in. Here, death is given the human quality of stepping in. Another example of the personification is, what though sorrow seems to win. Sorrow is given the human quality of winning. Students, do you know what do you mean by personification figures of speech? In personification figures of speech, inanimated objects and abstract motions are imagined to have human qualities. Means personification figures of speech में inanimated objects और जो abstract motions होते हैं उनमें human qualities है ऐसे बताया जाता है या फिर वो human qualities को perform कर रहे हैं ऐसे feel कराया जाता है. Student, I hope you are understanding. Now the seventh point is special feature. The special feature of the poem is its simple language. The tone of the poem is hopeful. Poetess used symbolism throughout this poem. Morning rain refers to small problems and sunny hour refers to good time. It is extremely knowledgeable poem about qualities of life like hope and courage. Now the last point, that is why I like the poem. I like this poem very much because it teaches me the reality of the life. This poem gives us great message to live happily and enjoy each and every moment of our life. So students, in this way, we have to write an appreciation in paragraph format, including all the above points. Dear students, जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, इस वे में हमें पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट में लिखना है. Dear student, फर्स्ट 4 पॉइंट्स हम फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में कवर करेंगे, लाइक टाइटल, पोएट, राइम स्कीम एंड फेवरेट लाइन्स. आफ्टर दैट फॉर थीम और सेंट्रल आइडिया वी विल मेक सेपरेट पैराग्राफ. देन उसके बाद फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच के लिए भी हम एक अलग से पैराग्राफ बनाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट फॉर स्पेशल फीचर्स यू शुड मेक वन न्यू पैराग्राफ एंड एट लास्ट विद इन 2 लाइन्स में हमें पोएम पसंद आई है या नहीं वो लिख देना है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ एनी पॉइंट इज नॉट गिवन इन एग्जामिनेशन देन यू शुड स्कीप इट फ्रॉम द अबोव. मीन्स अगर आपके एग्जामिनेशन में 5 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन है, देन देयर इज़ नो नीड टू राइट द स्पेशल फीचर्स, मीन्स यू कैन स्किप दैट पॉइंट। और स्टूडेंट्स आप आपके अकॉर्डिंग नंबर ऑफ पैराग्राफ कम या ज़्यादा भी कर सकते हो। नाउ which appreciation you are watching on the screen, please pause the video and take screenshot of it. Dear student, it is expected that you should write this appreciation in your notebook. So dear student, in this way today we learned appreciation of the poem Life in paragraph format. I hope you understood it. Dear student, if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to put your queries and suggestions in comment box. I'll meet you soon with new topic in next video. तब तक के लिए keep learning and always remember, do the best and be the best. Thank you so much. Bye.